you see, I started on the Z. Didn't film the beginning of it. Everyone knows what goes into taking the front off one of these things, because everyone does it, and then they put a bash bar on it, and they hit stuff. So it's one of those things. I just started ripping into it. The parts stacked off to the side. Motor should be out here soon. Then I'll get it over to our machine shop, and we'll see if it's got a cracked head, cracked block, or what's going on with it. But it's mixing water and coolant, and that's never good for a VQ. Got a Raptor in today, a little AC line action. Casey on the tool truck making poor choices.
Boy, I'm in the hole now.
So, if you need anything tool-wise, we got you. Bronco's still here getting some work done on it. This Cadillac, this has been a saga here. I want to get explained later. Chevy Traverse, oh boy, let me just show you what's going on in there, because this has been a thing. So it came in for no start condition, shut off. Story's real weird. Found out alternator's bad. Went ahead and got the alternator replaced. Of course, battery was shot because the alternator drew back dead. It was lots of issues. So got all that taken care of. Wouldn't shift from park. A little weird. So it ended up being the shift interlock solenoid. So as you can see, we got this whole dash, well, center console area ripped out of there. We thought we were gonna have to pull part of the dash, but thank God we didn't. You can ask Casey, he was not excited about pulling that part.
Not at all.
But got that done, and we just dropped a new video today, so make sure you guys check that out. We're gonna walk over here to the girl, because we did some stuff to the girl too. And then look.
Doing nothing, as always.
The boy. He over here just got done editing some stuff for us, getting stuff ready to go. Got to get it turned up. Got to get stuff working. But look, oh, did I get something on you, Nady?
No, I when I seen the video, I had something on my shirt. I didn't know what it was.
But we went ahead and reflocked the dash. It was looking a little rough. Don't mind. In the video, it still looks rough, but in the pictures or in person, it looks good. It looks real good. I guess it's all about angles. I don't know. And then that line, that's a crack that was in the dash. You know, S13s, they always have that crack in the dash. You find one uncracked, I bet you it's worth $1 million nowadays with that drift tax life going on. But I'm gonna get back to the Z, get that motor pulled out, put together a little time-lapse footage of that for you, and we'll see you soon. All right, so as you can see, everything on top is unplugged. Now we can start on the bottom. So got to get this exhaust undone, get all that stuff undone there. Got a couple more plugs unplugged there. We're gonna leave the trans in the car, so we'll just tie it up out of the way. But I'm gonna go ahead and drop this exhaust, get the transmission unbolted completely, drop the starter out, undo these motor mounts while I'm down here, and then it's coming out. So we'll see y'all again soon. All right, so as you can see, we have two pieces. Engine is out. Engine's going to the machine shop in the morning. We'll see exactly what's going on with it. Make sure it's reusable. As you see, the rest of the shop is pretty cleared out. We got a few things in. Casey over there working on his daily to make sure that it stays a daily. Got our Z parts stacked up on our shelf here. All of our tools cleaned up. About ready to call it a day. Motor came out fairly easy without too much of an issue. So once we get everything back from the machine shop, we'll get this thing running and get it back to the gentleman and be a ripper. some more content on this thing. This square back's pretty cool. But other than that, it's time to go play with that thing over there. Good morning, folks. Say good morning, Wes.
Hi.
All right, so as you can see, we're out here playing a little bit of golf today. You gotta take some time out for you and your family, always. Make sure that, you know, you have a good time, they have a good time, and just enjoy life. It's not all about work, it's not all about drifting, it's not all about working on cars. Now, there is some car stuff going on today, don't get me wrong. But we took time out this morning to go golfing, and we figured we'd bring you along for a little bit. So check some of this out.
Where'd that go? Where'd that go?
In the fairway, right next to the green. We almost made it there. We'll get there on the next one. So nice out here. Oh, you're shooting right on this one. What do you got on you? You don't need a driver for this one. Go ahead and get a wedge and hit it right off the ground.
Okay.
Just like I did. Mine's up there a ways though.
Somewhere.
Let's see how Wes does. Now, just so everyone knows, Wes is a baseball player. So, the swing, not perfect, but he gets the job done. We have a good time. That's all that matters. There it is. Look at that.
Yeah.
Almost on the green in one shot. What do you think, kid? All right. Oh, that window's dirty on that golf cart, huh? No golf cart window? Golf cart window. Phew. There it goes. Golf cart needs a little work. Come see Myers Automotive Care. We take care of that for you. Well, let's get up here and find these balls.
Mine's right there.
And go ahead and get them on the green and in the cup. So,
I'm right there. You're right there.
I'm right there. Use a little pitching wedge, get that up on there. So, make this nice and easy here. So as you see, Wesley, right there. I'm right over there. I don't know if you can see my video on there. Go ahead, Wes. Nice and easy, real slow, easy. All right. We can putt from there. All right. So on to mine. All right. So Wes is gonna try and putt it down from here. So go ahead and knock it in. There it goes. Look at that. Nice roll. Nice roll. Oh, so close.
Let's go.
Oh, a little bit harder. Oh, all right, we'll count it. We'll go ahead and count it. We'll count it. All right, you take over. Pick up your ball and your club there. I'm a little bit outside of the fringe, but we're gonna put it down anyway, just because I don't want to try and chip it from here. See, so this will be stroke 3
I got
for par.
a double bogey.
That's all right.
Yeah.
Come on. All right.
Bogey.
We'll take it. We'll take it. That's okay.
That's a bogey.
Like I said earlier,
Oh, that's an accident.
it's all about having fun and beautiful Florida day. I know I say it a lot, but 58 degrees today. No, excuse me, 48 degrees today. I was 10 off. It's nice. It's beautiful. But we're going to get back to some family time. Just want to show you guys a little bit of the inside life of us. So we'll see y'all soon at the shop. What's going on today, guys? So a little update on some stuff. The Z Got the motor dropped off this morning, in order to get it machined, ready to go back together for the customer. We got a drift trike out in the middle of the damn shop. Hang on, let's walk over here, because I heard a familiar voice. What we got over here? What's this? What's this dig through? Oh my god, it's a Willie B.
Yeah, you don't have any shit
In the wild. I mean, you're digging through the junk drawer. Bruh. Hang on. We may have to put this phone down and help him out a little bit here. Let me go check on Casey, see what he's up to. A little bit of stuff going on over here. Not much work on the 240. We did reflock the dash. It came out good. I don't know if I showed you guys that. Just looks a lot better than what it did. But we got Mr. Casey. Casey, what you doing over here?
Tune up on a North Star.
On a caddy rack. Yeah, this one's a fun one. It's an intake pull. As you notice, we don't pull them completely. We just move them out of our way. Makes things easier. Gets it done faster. Don't have to charge the customers much in order to get it done. Makes it nice and easy. This guy over here will be done today. We finally got the shift interlock solenoid in, so that one can leave. Plastic's got to go back in. Just little stuff. And it's a rainy day today. Got that van out there running right now, charge a battery. Customers coming to pick it up finally. Wrangler. That's gonna be a cool one. We're gonna dive into that one. You guys are gonna like that. We're doing a YJ front end on it. TJ front end got to come off. YJ got to go on. Down there, you see a little red car right there. That's Willie B. You guys got to follow him. That build's pretty dope. He's done all that work himself. He's done a great job on it too. Looks good. He always pays attention to detail. So, but the Z we're gonna do a little series on, because it's gonna get a lot of upgrades, a lot of updates, and it's gonna be pretty nice. Customers wanting to put some money into that one. So that car, watch for it.
Well, most of the time, I mean, I hate to be that stereotype and say it like that, but like I already know what I need and pretty much where it is, because I don't need a lot of shit at Home Depot.
So then no one at Home Depot needs a badge.
I mean, I don't know. I know they do like have reward program shit, so I mean, I know to work on that. And if you did help me, I mean, I'd at least be the person to be like, yeah, man.
Home Depot doesn't work on a reward system.
John in the back, help me out, dude.
Home Depot don't care who helps
The conversations that come up here.
Justifiable to put on tape. Yeah, go right ahead, dude. What's wrong with this?
I worked at Home Depot for a
Trying
year
to
and a
down
half.
Home Depot people.
They don't give a
just
shit.
No, I got your back, guys. Like I'm out here trying to.
I'm pretty sure, I'm very, very sure that OSHA will not approve name badges hanging off of anywhere in this shop.
That means his lanyard's in his pocket, Joe's beanie, probably my gauges,
Probably everything,
beards.
Everything that you
Your hair.
are wearing.
You need a hairnet if you walk out here.
I
There
don't
was
work
sparks
in
flying
the
this shit
damn
earlier, dude.
No,
Like,
I don't work in the damn
I know
shop.
girls have hairspray, so that shit's flammable. You don't want to get that.
There's no hairspray in this
I'm trying to
hair.
protect you, man. I'm
No,
trying to protect you.
you're trying to protect your ass.
How? I don't have hairspray or hair.
You got beard stuff in?
No, this is good. This is good.
You don't put any oil in it.
No,
You're nasty.
The same thing that helps
It's
the
crunchy.
the
You're
same
nasty.
thing,
You're nasty.
the same thing that helps it grow is the same thing that protects it.
Nasty.
Nope.
All right, so for everyone out there, this all started on name badges for a picture or something Nate was talking about.
So I
Like,
want to make employee name badges. That's it. That's it. That's all I
I
said.
mean, we got something like that.
It's been 3 weeks. It's been 3 weeks and 5, 6 episodes.
It's been 3 weeks, and you know how long it took me to get this? Martha, the tent maker, had to make my shit. It took almost a year for me to get my shit, so I don't want to hear it's 3 weeks, bruh.
Bruh. What you was gonna film.
So, but back to that. Then Home Depot came up. Then it went in. So I was like, you know what? We're gonna go ahead and get this done here. But little update. 47. We got everything cleared off the back. Got the inside all ready to go. We started setting it down.
It's your fault if you wear hot ass clothes.
Yeah, I was gonna say fuck
So yeah, now that you see that, we're gonna go ahead and try and get it finish mounted, the cab and the front finish mounted today, so that we can go ahead and move on to the back. Cause I think we're gonna have to extend the frame a little bit, but we'll see you in a little bit. Bronco here and a Joe on the ground. He's under here trying to get this filler neck to go on the new fuel tank, because the one they sent was just a smidge too small. So under here fighting the hell out of this damn thing. Pull, Joseph, pull! Put your foot on the tire. Put your foot on the tire. Give her hell. Give her hell.
Be up higher.
Give her hell, Joseph. Come on. Oh my God, you're struggling so hard right now. God, you're breathing heavy. You want to tell the folks about the gas in your mouth and your beard earlier?
No.
You're over that, huh?
Yep. You got it in my eye too.
That's what she said.
Yep.
Are we close?
No.
All right, well, we'll get back to this here in just a little bit. All right, so where we left off earlier, we were doing a little bit of work on the 47. Well, guess what? Ooh, got that fitment working for us. It's looking real good. Customers going for it. Now don't judge the fenders. I ordered new fenders. We got new door shells. You're gonna see all that. But customers looking for that little lifted look. So that's what we're giving them. So we still have to finish mounting the back of the cab with the front is all done. And then we're gonna have to figure out how we're gonna chop and shorten the bed to fit this frame. This frame came from a 72 Scout. It's a brand new, as you can see here. I know it's dirty, but it's literally a brand new frame. It's got brand new brakes, brand new everything. The rear diff is brand new. He had the body taken off and put the body on a tubular chassis with a LS swap. All sorts of stuff, like a supercharged LS swap. It's super legit. I'll get some video and footage of that one. But he got all that done, and then he gave us this chassis and asked us to find a truck. He wanted to build a truck, and so we went ahead and we got this all taken care of. Well, now it's her time to shine. We just went on and ordered up some parts so that we can get some stuff taken care of completely for it. Once those body mounts and everything get here, and we're able to go ahead and get them done, we'll start getting the floor in, get the firewall fixed up, because you can see this truck's been on a couple different frames. It's on an S10 frame when I got it. But so get all that stuff taken care of and then go from there.